Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys doing extremely well. So today we are discussing English pedagogy top 10 questions and answer. So let's we start. So first question is, in large language classes group work can be accomplished by dash. Option is asking all students to stand in a circle. Second is asking half the class to go out to the playground. Third one is asking 4 5 students to sit together on a narrow bench despite lack of space. Despite lack of space. Fourth one is asking students to turn around for group work. So the correct answer is ask students to stand in a circle. So this is the correct answer. So next question is, a teacher can develop listening skill in English by option is making the learners listen to everything they hear passively. Second is creating opportunities for them to listen to a variety of source and people and sorry people and angel in listening activities. Third one is speaking to them continuously both within the classroom and outside. And fourth one is focusing only on listening skill without associating if the if with other language skills. So the correct answer is it is for them to listen to a variety of sources and people and engage in listening activities. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, which of the following will be most effective to remove conventional beliefs about gender roles? Option is encouraging girls to develop interest in household chores for a young age. Second is telling the girls that talking freely is not a trait of good girls. Third one is showing a picture in which the mother is seen cooking and the father is seen reading a newspaper. Fourth one is teaching all the learners to sweep, wash, and save in the craft class without any gender discrimination. So the correct answer is, teaching all the learners to sweep, wash, and show in the craft class without any gender discrimination. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, up by asking a number of questions to test the comprehension of the students. Second is conducting a test with specific question on the story and grammar items. Third one is making the students read it silently a number of times to understand the story. And fourth one is encouraging the students to stage the play after working in groups to understand the plot, characters, etc. And the correct answer is, encouraging the students to stage the play after working in groups to understand the plot, characters, etc. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, So next question is, schools need to become centered that prepare children for life and ensure that all children, especially the differently abled children from marginalized section and children in difficult curriculum and children in different circumstances get the maximum benefit of this critical area of education dash. Option is gender equality. Second is critical pedagogy. Third one is inclusive education. And fourth one is constructivist learning. So the correct answer is inclusive education. So this is the correct answer. Which among the following is a feature of a child-centered language classroom? Option is children work individually to prepare projects. Second is teacher plan assessment every day. Third one is teacher give instructions and expects children to obey and be disciplined. Fourth one is children interact in the target language thought task that required multiple intelligence. So the correct answer is children interact in the target language through tasks that require multiple intelligence. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is effective lesson for teaching a language begins with. Option is recapitulations and motivation through fun activity. Recapitulation. So recapitulation and motivation through fun activities. Second is writing on the blackboard. Third one is listening the learning objectives of the lesson. And fourth one is presenting the content of the lesson. So the correct answer is recapitulation. Yes, recapitulation and motivation through fun activity. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, the Right of Children to Free and Compulsory Education Act 2009 has overall development as an aim. It means the option is first is coaching all the children for academic excellence excels. Second is training the children of different careers. Third one is training the children for the development of the country. Fourth one is nurturing both of scholastic and co-scholastic areas. So the correct answer is nurturing both the scholastic and co-scholastic areas. So this is the correct answer. So the next question is, effective learning takes place when students are. Option is quite good at preparing for examination. Third one is passive and fourth one is interactive. And the correct answer is interactive. So this is the correct answer. Next question. a test to assess the potential of students for specific abilities and skills such as music, spatial ability, or logical ability is called an or an. A or an. Option is aptitude test. Second is achievement. Third one is proficiency test, and fourth one is aptitude test. First is attitude, achievement, then proficiency, and fourth one is aptitude. So the correct answer is aptitude test. So this is the correct answer. That's this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel, share, like, and please comment. So see you in next video.